Are you tired of managing single-family homes and dreaming of bigger deals with higher profit? Transition from residential to commercial real estate can feel like a huge leap, but it doesn't have to be like that. Today, I am walking you through 5 actionable steps to make the transition smoother and set yourself up for success. Let's get started. First, you need to learn the language of commercial real estate. Terms like cap rate, NOI, LTV are essential to understanding the financial side of this deal. Think it like learning of a new language. You wouldn't want to order dessert when you mean dinner, right? Well, here is an example of the vocabulary. Cap rate. This is the return of an investment based on the income it generates. It's calculated as net operating income divided by the purchase price. But how can I use it? If I have a property with a cap rate of 4 and another property with a cap rate of 7, which one is better? Well, a lower cap rate is generally considered more desirable than a higher cap rate, as it signifies a lower risk and potentially more stable investment, even though it may mean a slower return on investment. A higher cap rate typically indicates a higher potential return that comes with greater risk. So at the end, you decide which property is better for you. More risk, less risk. What is the NOI? This is the net operating income. It's your income after operating expenses but before the mortgage payment. Take the time to read books, watch videos like this one, and even take courses. The more you know, the more confident you will feel when you step into this space. Step 2. Start small with multifamily properties. Commercial real estate doesn't mean that you need to start with 100-unit apartment complex. Instead, start with small multifamily properties like duplex, fourplex, 5 units, 6 units, 10 units. And why multifamily? Well, it's easier to finance than other commercial types. Lower risk because of multiple income streams. And this is a great stepping stone to help you build confidence and experience managing larger assets. Step 3. Network with commercial investors. This is super important. Right here is where the magic happens. Surround yourself with people who are already succeeding in commercial real estate. Go to meetups, go online forums, or attend industry events. It is why networking is critical. You learn from experiences. You might find partners or mentors willing to guide you. Remember your network. So start building those connections today. Here are 2 pro tips. First one is LinkedIn. It's an underrated platform for finding experienced commercial investors and brokers. The second one, join my real estate online meetup. How? It's very easy. Fill out the super easy questionnaire to be added to the list, and that way I can send you the meeting link to participate for free. The link is here down below in the description of the video. Step 4, secure financing options. Commercial real estate requires more capital, so understanding your financial options is key. Here are a few. Traditional bank loans often have stricter requirements but lower interest rates. SBA loans, graded or grade for owner-occupied commercial properties. Syndication, pool money with other investors to buy bigger properties. It is a profit. Build relationship with commercial lenders before you meet them. That way, they will trust you when it's time to act. What is your biggest challenge with financing? Drop it here in the comments. I will answer them.